These animals have developed incredible camouflage adaptations to protect themselves from predators and enhance their hunting capabilities, showcasing the wonders of evolution and adaptation in the natural world. These animals have developed incredible camouflage adaptations to protect themselves from predators and enhance their hunting capabilities, showcasing the wonders of evolution and adaptation in the natural world. Here's a list of 10 of the most invisible animals in the world. Number 1. Leaf-Tailed Gecko. The leaf-tailed gecko, found in Madagascar, is a master of camouflage. Its body resembles a dead leaf, complete with veined patterns and a tail that looks like a leaf stalk. Number 2. Walking stick insect. Walking stick insects are renowned for their remarkable mimicry of twigs or branches, making them nearly indistinguishable from their surroundings. Number 3. Peppered moth. The peppered moth is a classic example of natural selection. Its peppered appearance blends seamlessly with lichen-covered tree bark. Number 4. Leaf insects. Leaf insects, like the walking sticks, imitate leaves in various stages of decay, making them incredibly difficult to spot among foliage. Number 5. Stonefish. The stonefish is a venomous fish found in the Indo-Pacific region. It resembles a rock or piece of coral, making it extremely hard to detect. Number 6. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp use their incredible color-changing abilities to blend into their surroundings, making them elusive to both predators and prey. Number 7. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are masters of disguise. They can change their skin color, texture, and pattern to match their environment, rendering them nearly invisible. Number 8. Katydid. Katydid insects closely resemble the leaves they live on, thanks to their leaf-like body shape and coloration. Number 9. Pygmy seahorse. These tiny seahorses perfectly mimic the appearance of the corals they inhabit, with matching coloration and texture. Number 10. Flatfish. Flatfish like flounders and sole are bottom dwellers that closely resemble the ocean floor, allowing them to blend in seamlessly.